Question 5. Machine account show balance of rupees 60,000 in the books of Mehta Limited on 1/4/2012. This machine was purchased 5 years back. Till today, total depreciation written off on this machine was rupees 20,000. On 1/1/2014, second machine was purchased for 12,000. Now सबसे पहले 1/4/2012 को मार्क करो, वहाँ पे लिखो ओपनिंग, ओ लिखो OP, so opening balance. Then 1/1/2014 पे बॉक्स बनाओ, वहाँ पे लिखो P2, purchase machine 2. Second machine was not found suitable and sold at 10% loss on book value on 31/12/2014. So 31/12/2000 पे बॉक्स बनाओ, S2 लिखो, sold machine 2. Every year, ध्यान देना please, company provides depreciation at 5% under straight line method. So under the straight line method, prepare machine account and depreciation account up to 31/3/2015. Now, सबसे पहले we write the important dates which are going to come in this machinery account. So we are starting from the year 1/4/2012. Over here we are not given purchase, we are given opening balance. Now 1/4/2012 के बाद what will be the next date? Is there any purchase or sale during this year 12-13? No, so directly we'll have the year end, that is 31/3/2013. समझ में आया ये? पहला साल पता चला, ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिया और कुछ भी ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं दिया है, तो नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन विल बी ऑन द ईयर एंड, दैट इज फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन. देन 1/4/2013, इसके बाद any date for the year 13-14? Look into the book. 1/1/14, because 1st April 2013 का year end is 31/3/2014, but between this we have 1/4/2014. Sorry, 1/1/2014. So on this date we purchased machine 2. Next 1/4/2014. What's the next date? We are selling our machine on 31/12/2014, and then the year end, this machine is sold. Machine 2. Machine 2 is sold, but machine 1 is still there. So year end will be now 31/3/2015. You understood these dates? ये पहले करना, उसके बाद सम चालू करना, क्योंकि अगर इसको गलती से यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा और यहाँ पे लिखा तो यहाँ पे आके रियलाइज करोगे कि गलती कर दी, पर तुमने तब तक तो बैलेंसेस कर दिया होता. फिर एग्जाम में तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? सम को कट करना पड़ेगा, फिर से फॉर्मेट बनाना पड़ेगा. सो पहले बराबर क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स मार्क करो और देखो वो सब डेट्स कहाँ पे फॉल होता है, कौन से साल में. Is this clear? उस पे थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम दो. Then you start the sum. Got it all of you? क्योंकि अगर ये सही नहीं है ना, तो जब रियलाइज होगा तो बैलेंसेस ऊपर क्लोज हो गए होंगे, तो you will have to cut, do it again, and such sums will come for 6 marks or 8 marks in your exam. Very scoring. ठीक है? Now, what is given? We are given the book value. Machine account shows a balance of 60,000. So on 1/4/2012, two balance bought forward. What's the balance? 60,000. Now, what's the next date? 31/3/2014. Sorry. 31/3/2013 by depreciation. What is the rate of depreciation? 5%. Calculate and tell me the depreciation. 3,000 is wrong. Is wrong. क्यों wrong है? एक मिनट, क्यों wrong है? Because what is the method of depreciation? Method of depreciation is straight line method. ऐसा तुमने बोला था सबने साथ में कोरस में. Because over here opening balance is given, we have to calculate under straight line method. Depreciation is always provided on cost. You understood? कितने पे किस पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे? कॉस्ट पे. कॉस्ट यानी क्या? जो प्राइस पे हमने असेट खरीदा. समझ में आया? हिंदी समझ में आता है ना सबको? जो प्राइस में हमने इस मशीनरी को खरीदा, that is our cost. And as per straight line method, depreciation का rate is always provided on cost. But in this sum, we are not given cost, we are given opening balance, and that's why you cannot apply 5% to 60,000 because it is straight line method. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है, कौन सी मेथड में हम 60,000 पे डेप्रिसिएशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे? It will be reducing balance method. Please be very careful about this. Otherwise, पूरा सम हो जाएगा, पूरा सम गलत. Because ये गलत किया तो बैलेंस रॉन्ग, subsequent balance wrong, subsequent balance wrong. अगर ये WTV method होता तो we would have provided 5% on 60,000. So be very careful. ये चैप्टर में सिर्फ दो ही मेथड है, स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड एंड WTV मेथड, रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू या रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड. स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड के क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है? इफ रेट इज नॉट गिवन, डेप्रिसिएशन इज कॉस्ट माइनस स्क्रैप वैल्यू अपॉन यूजफुल लाइफ ऑफ असेट. एंड इफ रेट इज गिवन, every year depreciation is calculated on the cost. That is why the amount remains same, and that is why it is known as straight line method. This is the concept. Is this clear? Okay, now over here in this sum, opening balance is given. We have to calculate annual depreciation. Now what information is given? Opening balance 60,000. Total depreciation provided for how many years? For 5 years, which is equal to rupees 20,000. यहाँ से भी we can find. Therefore, annual depreciation is equal to 20,000 upon 5, which is equal to rupees 4,000. Or can I say cost is equal to balance plus total depreciation provided till date, which is equal to 60,000 plus 20,000, which is equal to 80,000. Therefore, depreciation is equal to 80,000 into 5%, which is equal to rupees 4,000. Both the ways we can do it. समझ में आया concept? समझ में आया concept? लिख लो, लिख लो. This is your working note 1. Now we write by depreciation account. Every year it will be rupees 4,000. Working note 1. This year is over. Close it. 60,000. Again 60,000. 31/3/2013. By balance carried forward. Amount is 56,000. 1/4/2013. To balance bought forward. 56,000. depreciation account. Depreciation account debit 1 31 4 31 31 3 2013 to machinery account 4,000. And year end we pass one more entry 31 3 2013 by profit and loss account 4,000. We close this, account gets squared up. In this sum we have to make both machinery and depreciation. Previous sum we also did effects in annual account for the first year, for the second year. Now you please follow these dates. First year is over. Second year opening balance done. Now 1/1/2014 we are buying, so purchase on the debit side 1/1/2014 amount is कितने में खरीदा नया मशीन हमने for 12,000. So to bank account 12,000. So we have now machine 1 and machine 2. ऐसा लिख देने का ब्रैकेट में for understanding. नहीं लिखोगे तो भी आंसर तो आने वाला ही है, पर लिखोगे तो conceptual understanding develop होगा. Now purchase is also done year end. So 31 3 2014 by depreciation. How many machines are there now? 2 machine. So machine 1 pay amount of depreciation 4,000. Straight line method, it remains the same. Second 12,000 में खरीदा into 5% into कितना months use किया 1/1/14. So पूरा January, February and March. So 3 months. Is this clear? 1/1/14. यानी full January, then February and then full March. So 3 months. So into 3 by 12. How much? 150? 150. Total 4150. Balance it. $68,000. 31 3 2014. Buy balance carried forward. 68,000 minus 4150. 63,850. पता चला कैसा है 68,350. I can reconcile this. Machine 1 जो था, machine 1 opening balance 56,000 minus 4,000 which is equal to 52,000. समझ में आया सबको? पहला मशीन 56,000 ओपनिंग बैलेंस था, डेप्रिशिएट किया 4,000, सो रह गया 52,000 ईयर एंड पे. एंड मशीन 2 12,000 में खरीदा, 150 का डेप्रिसिएशन प्रोवाइड किया, सो रह गया 11,850. इन दोनों का टोटल is 68,350. Understood this? So closing balance of machinery account is 63,850, but it has 2 machines. One machine of 52,000 and another machine of 11,850. So we transfer this 1/4/2014 to balance brought forward 63,850. In bracket I'll write 52,000 of machine 1 plus 11,850 of machine 2. We go to depreciation account 31 3 2014 to machinery account 4150 31/3/2014 by profit and loss account 4150. Close it. Second year done. Now, third year. ध्यान देना please. Third year. 1/4/2014. Done. Now on 31/12/2014 we are selling machine 2. So सबसे पहले we have to provide depreciation up to the date of sale on machine 2. जो machine जा रहा है during the year उसके ऊपर पहले depreciation provide करना पड़ेगा. अगर this machine was sold on 31/3 तो क्या करते? हम एक साथ दोनों machine पे depreciation provide कर देते. पर mid of the year या during the year कोई machine हम sell कर रहे हैं तो we have to first calculate depreciation for that machine till the time it is used. So how much we have used this machine? 1/4/14. Say 31/12/2014. How many months? No, 8 is a wrong answer. 9 months. See, कैसे 9 months? तुम directly मत करना, तुम गिनना manually. It is 1/4, so पूरा April. It is 31/12, so पूरा December. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So it is 9 months. Please don't make mistake. Otherwise depreciation wrong, book value wrong, sales value wrong, profit या loss भी wrong. Understood this? 9 months पता चला कैसे आया? 1/4, so पूरा April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now 31/12/2014 by depreciation. I'll do the working over here for understanding. Now, depreciation, which method? Straight line method. So always on the cost. So what is the cost of machine 2? 12,000 into 5% into 9 months. So 9/12. 450, which is equal to 450. Now we are selling machine 2, so we'll do a working note. Working note 2. There are two ways we can do the working note. One way is we already have the opening balance, so we can directly do it for this year. And other way is we follow the textbook method where we do it from the time we have purchased the machine. Now I'll follow the textbook method today because last lecture we did this method. Now what we do is अगर तुम textbook method follow करते हो तो benefit क्या है? Benefit ये है कि तुम्हें ऐसे दो अलग लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You understood this? But disadvantage ये है कि तुम्हें फिर 2 years या 3 years का working करना पड़ेगा. तो you can select what you feel comfortable, but please don't get the wrong answer in exam. So how we will do this working note 2? जिनको ये logically नहीं समझ में आता है ना, you follow this method textbook. Okay? और जिनको logically समझ में आता है वो डायरेक्टली ये मेथड कर सकते हैं या फिर वो इवन टेक्स्ट करे तो भी कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है क्योंकि उसको कॉन्सेप्ट्स पता चल गए. जिसको नहीं चले तुम ये करोगे ना तो ऑटोमेटिक तुम्हें भी पता चल जाएगा. आफ्टर 5th sum और 6th sum you will be able to directly do it. You will be very confident in these two values. Okay? Now अभी के लिए we assume कि तुम confident नहीं हो. I am assuming हो सकते हो. Now working note 2 for sale of machine 2. Now over here we start with the time we purchase. So 1/1/14 purchase rupees 12,000. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट डेट क्या है? 31/3/2014 depreciation. We have already calculated depreciation on machine 2, which is 150. So 11850. This is book value as on 1/4/2014. Next step, second year में आ गए. Next is again depreciation, but now we are selling the machine on 31/12/2014. So depreciation from 1/4 to 31/12, we calculated over here 450. So 11400. This is book value as on date of sale. Now we are selling this at what? Selling at 10% loss. So loss 10%. 1140. So sales value of machine 10260. We can make the journal entry out of this. Sales value, money comes in bank account debit. So we write bank account debit 10260. Loss है, so profit and loss account debit 1140. To machine goes up. To machine account 1. Total of this 11400. पता चल गया? अगर तुम डायरेक्टली करना चाहते हो या ये साल से, तो then you will start your sum from here. Is this clear? Now we do the posting. Sale of machine 31/12/2014 by bank account. Amount is 10260. 31/12/2014 by profit and loss account 1140. Is the sum over? No. We have sold one machine, but the other machine is still in our books of accounts in our business. So next date after 31/12 is what? 31/3/2015. Now on 31/3/2015, depreciation. So by depreciation, on which machine I provide depreciation? 1 or 2?
1.
On machine 1 for the full year, it is 4000. Machine 1. We close this 63850. 63850. बैलेंस इट. कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे? डेबिट साइड माइनस क्रेडिट साइड ऑलवेज. सो 31/3/2015 by balance carried forward 48,000. Now कैसे आया 48,000? बहुत सिंपल है. You had two machine. In the beginning, this machine got sold. तो रह गया कौन सा? 52,000 वाला. उसमें depreciation 4,000. So this is 48,000. तुम क्या करना? Debit side minus credit. You should get this. Bracket में for understanding 52,000 minus 4,000. यही आ रहा है माइनस करके भी जिन्होंने किया. Okay. Now transfer करो 1450 to balance bought forward 48,000. We transfer this depreciation. Now depreciation on 31/12/14 to machinery account for machine 2 450 and 31/3/15 to machinery account. 1. 4,000. 31/3/2015 by profit and loss account 4450 total.